Hi, I'm Nick Evanroth here at Hershey, Pennsylvania, and we're debuting our brand new Fuzion Impact 3120 wide open. We're giving customers everything they've asked for, which is a sub 35-foot unit with a 20-foot garage, open concept, still welded tie downs to the frame. Really excited for you to come take a look at it. Thanks for taking a look. Make sure you jump on our website to see any more details on all the rest of our floor plans. Also, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.